Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the SUPER73-S2. For assembly, you're going to need scissors or cutters, some anti-seize, and a rag. You're going to receive your bike in a big box like this that comes with clips on the front and the back, and once you unclip them, you'll be able to remove the top. Now we're going to remove the top of the box. For this part, it's best to have a friend to help you up. First, you're going to want to remove the two cardboard boxes at the top of the box, as well as the battery in the middle. Next, you're going to want to open the front side of your box so you can roll your bike out easily. After you've rolled out your bike, use a kickstand to position it properly. Before we get started, remember to always recycle your leftover plastic and cardboard. Next, you're going to want to put your battery on charge. Your battery is located in the black box and your charger is located in the smallest cardboard box. After you've removed the battery and the charger from the box, you'll want to plug it in and turn the battery on. When the light is red, it means your battery is charging, and once it goes green, it will mean it's fully charged. Now that your battery is on charge, we can grab the scissors or the cutters and remove all the packaging before assembly. Now that you've removed the excess packaging off your bike, you can grab your last cardboard box, which includes your manual, pedals, screws, and additional tools such as the Allen key and wrench. Now you're going to install your handlebars. You're going to need the Allen key from the box to remove the handlebar clamp. Once you've removed the clamp, you can now place your handlebars within and tighten the bolts in a cross pattern, but loosely so you still have a bit of room to adjust. Once you're finished with that, then I prefer to hop on the bike myself and then position the handlebars into my riding position before tightening the bolts all the way. Now we can install the pedals. You can identify the left and right pedal by the L and R sticker located on the pedal. Otherwise, you can identify the left pedal with the two stripes located on the wrench flat. We recommend using a bit of grease when installing the pedals for easier installation. You will screw the right pedal clockwise and the left counterclockwise, then tighten with the wrench. Now it's time to pump up the tires to the recommended 2 bars. Next, you can take the bolts and add them to your frame. These are for accessories if you decide to add them in the future. At this point, you've completed your assembly. The only thing left to do is grab your battery and then you can hit the road. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you thought this video was useful. As always, remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date on everything Super 73. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. See you!